I want to introduce you to the RHS Wire EDM Clamp. Machine Square Vise, absolute game changer for your precision machining needs. Let's get right into it. This vise delivers incredible accuracy with a repeatability of 0.005 mm per 100 mm. That's right, precision down to the last detail. Whether you're clamping square or long parts, this vise has you covered with full adjustability in X, Y, and Z, making it incredibly versatile for all your projects. Now, what makes this vise stand out? It's made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's durable and built to last. It's designed to mount directly onto your WireEDM machine, making setup quick and easy. And here's the best part: it performs just as well as those top-tier brands like GERARDI and VERTEX, but without the hefty price tag. With a clamp size range of 0 to 100 mm, it's perfect for handling small parts with the precision you need. If you're looking to take your machining game to the next level, this vise is a must-have in your workshop. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more quick tool reviews. And if you're ready to upgrade, check out the link below to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.